Did we see this story this week? This man in Texas was sentenced to 180 days, about 100 days less than a full-term pregnancy, for drugging his wife 7 different times, attempting to induce an abortion without her knowing. As a reminder, Texas has one of the strictest and most unethical abortion policies. Since 2021, thanks to the Texas Heartbeat Act, the law has essentially prohibited any abortions after 6 weeks of gestation, with no exception for rape and incest. As a result of that law, there can be very severe consequences for people who attempt to help the woman who wants an abortion. For example, just attempting, medical professionals who attempt to perform, induce, or abort a pregnancy and unsuccessfully can face 20 years in prison and a $10,000 fine. Medical professionals that successfully abort a pregnancy can face life in prison and no less than $100,000. And family members, friends, taxi drivers, anybody who goes with them, helps, pays for something, can be held criminally liable as well as fined. 20 years in prison for a medical professional who attempts an abortion. But this guy who drugged his wife 7 times attempting an abortion gets 180 days in jail. This is just another example of how it has never been about protecting the unborn, and it has always been about regulating women's bodies.